Hello there! In today's video we're making a shelf with bottles and potions. First we need 3 popsicle sticks and we cut them in the shape of the shelves we want. Now we cut bases for the rest of the shelves and we glue them on the top of each other. Now we're gonna put some to separate the space between them. We are not gonna use paint, only brown mixed with a little black wash to give them the wooden look we want. We leave it to dry and we take a straw to make our bottles. Cut a small piece, like this, and take your hot glue gun and spin it in the hole of the straw. Let it dry as you point the straw, looking down so it will be round around the edges. And it will look like this. Now, do the same in the bottom, but this time use the glue to fill the space of the straw. For the next step, we take barbecue stick and we cut a small piece of it and glue it in the center of the round side of the straw. Use black paint to paint the bottles. Now we take a small piece of aluminium foil and make it round to make a plant for ourselves. Use PVA glue and sprinkle flock to it. Now for the potions. Take your hot glue gun and with round moves try to make a small round piece with it. When we have enough of them, we will glue them together. And with a small piece of toothpick, we have the final touch for our potions. Now it's up to you to make them any color you want. We used red, green and blue. Now, if some of the pieces are not even, you can take some aluminium foil and cover them. Spin it like this and glue it the space between them. Now, for the final step, we glue everything in the shelf. And we're done! If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, happy crafting!